I just installed this dual air conditioner. This is a 12,000 BTU air conditioner. Let's see what it can do. It's hot, 87 over 58 inside. I think 12,000 is a bit overkill for this area. I mean, it is open, so it kind of flows down the hallway, but at least just for now, we'll keep getting these 90 plus days. This should work pretty good in here. So let's see what we have. Okay, it just started up. It's kind of loud, but that's no surprise. It's moving a lot of air. You hear the gas going through there. Compressor is pretty quiet. The compressor is really quiet. The Shark works quite nicely. I would never run it this cold, but I just turned it all the way down just to see what it would do. And a couple hours later, we're down to 69 over 42. Still 80 over 78 outside. And I have that fan moving it down the hallway, so even with the air circulating, it's still working quite nicely. I like the appearance of the other one better, but I'll definitely keep this here while the heat is out of control, and then once the weather returns to more normal temperatures, I'll probably put an older, smaller unit back in its place.